Hello my friends, I hope you're having a really lovely day. Today we are packing my mail that's going off to Brooke at BNDesigns or Creations. I have her channel and everything linked down below. Now this is her birthday challenge, and obviously I want this to remain a surprise for as long as possible until she opens it up. So I have a little shoebox here that I have painted purple, and I will be covering when I finish packaging everything up. And I first off just want to show you the inside of the lid. So it's like a little shoebox. When you open it, this is the first thing that you're going to see. So I decided just to decorate the top to make it feel extra special, and I just used elements of the collection, some crepe paper rosettes that I really suck at making, and a little tag here that says to Brooke from Liz, and lots of pom-pom trim and lots of hot glue. So this is what the lid is going to look like, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the box around so you can actually, no, I'm not. That's just going to be too much. So I'm just going to pop it. How am I going to do this? Okay, let's just do it this way. It's a little bit dark, and I'm sorry. So I have a little incense stick. Now this is going to be in the mail for at least a week and a half to 2 weeks. So I want to make sure that it smells really nice. So I have added an incense stick that is the scent of lily, and I hope that it just lasts long enough to make sure it smells nice when it gets there. So what I've done is I have already wrapped everything up. So, sorry, no cheating, no one's gonna know what it is. So I have this one here, and the paper that I used are just papers from the collection, which is many more, and I will link it down below. So all of the goodies are just gonna get packed in, and I really hope that she likes what I have made for her. I also am gonna add in a little candle that smells like cinnamon, and I'm gonna try and get that one in there and that in there. So that is everything that's going off to Brooke. I'm not sharing anything else because I want it to be a surprise. So if you want to see what I sent her for her birthday challenge, go ahead and go over to her channel. I'm sure she will open it up. I don't even know whether this is going to get to her in time, and that's totally fine if it doesn't. I'm sending all the way from Australia, but everyone deserves birthday love on their birthday. So regardless, I hope that she enjoys her birthday presents all the way from Australia. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.